If you eat watermelon every day, here's what will happen to your body. First, say goodbye to thirst. Watermelon is made up of 90% water. Eating a piece of watermelon is equivalent to drinking deliciously refreshing water. And guess what? It's light on calories, but packed with nutrients like vitamins A, C, and potassium. Watermelon will boost your immune system and heal your skin with its revitalizing nutrients. If you want to lose weight, watermelon is just the thing. Thanks to its fiber content, it will fill you up without weighing down your stomach. Ideal for when you're feeling hungry throughout the day. But that's not all. Watermelon is also a remarkable enhancer for your muscles. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps boost your physical performance and improve your vascular health. And if you need to relax after a stressful day, watermelon can once again help you. It contains magnesium, an essential mineral for calming your nerves, curing your headaches, and giving you better sleep at night. Follow for more.